Do it.
Oh, budget.
You look really tan in this video.
Yay!
Get her feet. Flip over, like, flip your legs. Do gymnastics stuff.
Like what?
I don't know.
What do you do, a stag?
Do a split.
Oh, I can't do a split. Have it stretched.
Me neither. We need to stretch while watching this. Oh my gosh, you almost can.
I don't remember if I do it this way.
When was the last time you stretched?
Nope.
A couple months ago?
I don't remember.
Like a couple months.
Well, I think I've stretched like a little bit, like once maybe over the summer, but...
Yeah, see you're lucky, you don't lose stuff.
That wasn't nothing. That was like...
Yeah, but it was close.
This?
Well, don't roll.
Okay.
Yeah, that's close. There's only like this much space. It's a lot closer than mine is. How did you get that? Just stretched all the time?
It's nice to know I can get little places. You know what I need from me? Have beautiful, dramatic.
Look at her feet.
With the Venus razor. At Walmart,
I love that razor. It's the best. Oh.
why pay more to look you?
Please stop.
Please stop calling on my girl.
Messages are getting back. You look like a log, or a stump, or a frog.